Please continue. You can't hurt
Just for
yourself.
real?
Everybody give a hand. Thank you very much. May I request?
Thank you. Oh, and open it. Oh, there we go. Okay.
From diplomatic relations to trade and economic, bilateral relations in multiple sectors. Importantly, our people-to-people relations have strengthened like never before. Of course, there still exist many opportunities for further developments in our friendship. This is something that PG looks forward to and pursuing further. The learning and teaching of the Chinese language and culture is crucial and should be seen as one of the main tools for development. Effective communication is the key to increasing our understanding of each other, and learning each other's languages will lead to a better appreciation of others' cultures and traditions. It is therefore very pleasing that the Confucius Institute has been established at the University of South Pacific with this vision in mind. I, for one, would have loved to learn more about Chinese languages and cultures. I'm aware that the Confucius Institute of ESP, CIUSP, has been very successful since its establishment 5 years ago, with increasing numbers of students in its language and cultural programs, as we've heard from the Vice Chancellor. The fact that the Institute has brought the opportunity to learn right to our doorstep is very encouraging. I urge young and willing students not to miss this opportunity. We should well with their studies. The Confucius Institute is providing a platform for building friendship and cooperation between China and Fiji and the Pacific region as a whole. We hope that this will further pave the way for deeper cooperation based on mutual trust, which is necessary for the delivery of social and economic benefits that we all desire. In my meeting with His Excellency the Ambassador, I reiterated Fiji's full support for China's Belt and Road Initiative, which was launched earlier this year by the President of the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Xi Jinping. It was a privilege and a testament to the strengthening of our relations between China and Fiji when our Prime Minister, the Honorable Bainimarama, was the only head of government from the Pacific Island countries who was invited to attend Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation in May. This marked another significant milestone in our bilateral relations. Fiji views the Belt and Road Initiative as a connector, and the strengthening of our relations as an enabler that will facilitate our connection to the global community through the 5 key areas of policy, infrastructure, trade, finance, and people-to-people development. This is especially vital to Fiji, given our status as a geographic and socio-economic hub within the Pacific. We therefore look forward to the implementation of the Belt and Road Initiative, and I have every confidence that the establishment of the Confucius Institute here in ESP will enable us to further strengthen our relations with China. The successes of the Confucius Institute have been recognized and rewarded by the award of the Model CI project by the Confucius Institute headquarters. I offer my heartiest congratulations to ESP for attaining this very great honor. The award will enable ESP to make a substantial investment in improved learning and teaching facilities for the Confucius Institute here in ESP. I am told that the Institute will comprise improved teaching spaces, Chinese reading room, a museum-style Chinese culture and art exhibition space, including an exhibition wall. It will have 2 multimedia classrooms and remote teaching classrooms, a large room for teachers' public preparation, a reception room, a library, a Chinese food culture training classroom, 3 ordinary language classrooms. The proposed improvements will expand the total area of the current building by around 770 square meters. It will also actively promote its credit and social courses, including the Chinese language minor and hopefully Chinese language major in the future, and cultural experiences. It is expected that student enrollments at ESP will be around 500 equivalent full-time students by 2019. This is again very encouraging, and this extension will facilitate Chinese language learning and teaching and cultural promotion across all ESP campuses, as it will have state-of-the-art technology that will compensate or complement the online facilities available here at ESP. Development Computers Institute at ESP is part and parcel of the overall planning and development of the university. And I'd like to thank you. And from a Fiji perspective, it is part of our ultimate aim to create a knowledge-based society where our people could learn more about our world, about our global community, and about different nations and their respective peoples, cultures, and traditions. I have no doubt that all the other Pacific Island countries that are part of the ESP desire for the same outcomes. This morning's groundbreaking ceremony not only marks the beginning of the renovation extension, the modern CIUSP building, but it also extends the opportunity for improved relations between China and our Pacific Island countries. I have great pleasure in inviting His Excellency Ambassador Zhang Kun, Dr. Chandra, and Mrs. Red to join me in breaking the ground where we will work shortly, or where the work shortly commence. Once again, on behalf of the government of the people of Fiji and the university, I'd like to say xie xie, and thank you very much. God bless you.
Present size. The groundbreaking between China and Fiji, allowing more cultural exchange events of localization and integration. Make further.
He's the Vice Chancellor and President of the university in the introduction.
Distinguished ambassadors, I'd like to extend the warm congratulations.
Even in the corporate sector.
That's right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Army man, huh?
Much appreciated. And I like it.
We also wish to.
Here we go. You all right?
Thank you. We never knew how to swim, but somehow, because of your presence, we tried.
Behind our test, so we have our picture together.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we must get his. Right. Coba deh, Bu. Coba deh, gerai. Mesin. Itu run. Kita cuma menguasai.